13 Facts You Didn't Know About Richard Mille. Welcome back to 13 Facts, the place for fact-based videos from around the world. We've got you covered because nobody will ever fool you again. Today, we present you 13 Facts You Didn't Know About Richard Mille. Usually, timepieces are not hard to differentiate. In fact, these days if you cover the brand name, you might not be able to make a difference among different watches. But there is one brand that always sticks out of the crowd with its unique style, and that is Richard Mille. Well, let's get straight to the facts. Fact number 1. Richard Mille. Richard Mille, who hails from southern France, founded Richard Mille. Before founding the brand, he was an expert manager with Finner. Eventually, he rose to the position of the director of the firm's numerous watchmaking brands when the Matra Group acquired Finner. In 1990, he became CEO of Maubossin's watchmaking division. There, he also took the position of head of jewelry and was deeply involved in the design process. It was here that his eye for design was combined with his love for mechanics, thus the birth of Richard Mille, the brand. Fact number 2. Youngest in the watchmaking industry. Amazing, right? Richard Mille started its career as a luxury brand with the release of RM001 watch in the year 2001. And guess what? RM001 was priced at €159,000, which got sold out within the minutes of its release. It is the youngest watchmaking brand in the industry and still the most sought after. The other brand in horology are as old as 200 and 300. In fact, Hublot, which is considered a young brand, was born in 1980. Fact number 3. Richard Mille's first design was drawn on a bar of soap. What? A bar of soap? Yes! The designer Richard Mille carved the design of the prototype to his first watch on a bar of soap. While he was the CEO of the French jewelry company Maubossin, he craved to have his own company and be in charge of the whole creation process. At some point in his life, he knew exactly the design of a prototype he wanted for a watch. He then proceeded to carve it on a bar of soap. Fact number 4. Audemars Piguet helped launch Richard Mille's first line of watches. In 1999, Richard Mille joined forces with the prestigious Audemars Piguet to launch its first line of watches but held onto the brand name and image. Fact number 5. His love for race cars started the Richard Mille watch brand. What you get in a Richard Mille watch is the best of both worlds, meaning this watch carries the elegance of Swiss watches and the high performance of race cars. Richard Mille worked with numerous watchmaking companies before becoming an independent brand. This work experience and his love for race cars resulted in the birth of this brand. Fact number 6. Uses the heart to build tourbillon craftsmanship. Richard Mille incorporates the heart to build tourbillon craftsmanship to its watches. The tourbillon craftsmanship is very complicated and is considered as the pinnacle of craftsmanship. The price of such craftsmanship is very high, which is why many well-known brands do not incorporate it. And that's exactly what Richard Mille incorporating the extraordinary. Fact number 7. The world's lightest mechanical tourbillon watch. The distinction of making the world's lightest mechanical tourbillon watch belongs to Richard Mille. Richard Mille and Felipe Massa jointly designed the RM006 tourbillon in 2004. The RM006 featured a carbon nanofiber base plate. This greatly reduced its weight and cemented its title as the lightest mechanical tourbillon watch of 2004. Fact number 8. Has a unique to-know shaped case. You can easily spot a Richard Mille of its unique case design. While other famous brands opt for minimal designed cases, Richard Mille on the other hand comes with a to-know shaped barrel case. This unique case design is one of the most expensive and difficult to manufacture. This design involves 3 components, all curved, which are then fit together to within 100 of a millimeter to stop dust or moisture entering. Fact number 9. The high-tech materials that are used for his base plates are also used for Formula One cars. When you think of a Richard Mille, you can't just expect base plates made of standard materials. A Richard Mille base plate is made up of materials which are used in making Formula One cars, racing yachts, and airplanes. These materials include carbon nanotubes, anti-PT carbon, silicon nitride, perfluoroelastomer, toughened ceramic, and more. Fact number 10. Uses high-end material coating for watch movement parts. As base plates are made of high-tech materials, then how can the inside movements be made of basic materials? Therefore, the watch movement parts of a Richard Mille are made up of high-end materials too. The parts are usually a hybrid of titanium with other materials which are coated in PVD or physical vapor deposition or titality. They are then perfected by the micro-engineers and the dedicated team of watchmakers of Mille. Fact number 11. Owning a Richard Mille is like buying a miniature sports car. This is exactly what Mille wanted the owners of a Richard Mille must feel like. The idea behind launching this brand was that he wanted people to recognize a Richard Mille from a distance. He wanted people to have their minds blown by looking at this watch. And his best inspiration was a Formula One car so that people can have a feel of a sports car on their wrists. Fact number 12. Limited annual production. Only 5,000 of less. These avant-garde Richard Mille watches are very limited editions. Only 5,000 or fewer watches are produced, only which get sold out the minute they are launched. Undoubtedly, each year the demand for Richard Mille outstrips the production. The lovers of his luxurious brand are so many that these constantly remain in high demand. And of course, for the fact number 13, the price goes up to millions. You know what makes Richard Mille the most sought-after brand? Well, apart from unique design, well-built machinery, and use of high-tech materials, one more thing that adds to its popularity is its price. The price range of a Richard Mille starts from $82,000 and goes up to $2 million. The RM5602 Sapphire comes with a hefty price of $2 million. It is the brand's first sapphire-cased watch and definitely the most expensive one. Thank you for spending some time with us and watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss a video. If you have any other subject you would like to know more about, feel free to leave it for us in the comments. Now, subscribe and like this video for more. See you next time!